Baagi bangwe ba lenasia ba santse ba le mo tlalelong morago ga dipula tse di maatla ba re metsi a elelang kwa nokeng ya Klip River ke yone a gorogetseng mo matlong a bone.
Not a single department's been here. So you come to a point where you're like at breaking point. How do you just wait from here? Right now, to be honest, I don't have the answers.
If we don't find a long-term solution to this problem, then we're all just wasting our time here.
How do you recover from this at this age? My husband is not well. He had lung cancer. He can't breathe.
Generatara eo e reboletseng baagi go thusa ka mohlagase go begwa e kgaoga.
We're suspecting that due to the water levels, they damaged the cable because they told me that there's a cable fault. So as they are trying to sort that out, the rain it keeps pouring, so it's also affecting their operation because they can't dig.
Le fa tiro ya go baakanya mafaratlhatlha e tsweletse, hlobaboroko ke maru ao a ntseng a agela.
If all goes according to plan, we'll ensure at least 50% of the outages are restored by this evening. We're hoping the rain, which has been disrupting most of the work, subsides to enable the repairs to be completed. Eskom is also still struggling to basically with the rain.
Kwa Rodeport, bakgweetsi ba rotloeditswe go dirisa mebila e mengwe ka ntlha fa leborogo la mmila wa Hendrik Potgieter le go somane.
Something like an hour to get to Krekstone Mall from town. 3 hours from Krekstone Mall to Joburg.
Go le jalo, baagi ba kwa Proti bao ba amilweng ke dipula tse di maatla ba ntse ba fiwa diphuthelwana tsa dijo. Molemoane motho wa SABC News, Johannesburg.